बच्चों के लिए अच्छी एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करना हर माँ बाप का सपना होता है। हम उनके बचपन में ही सोच लेते हैं कि उन्हें क्या बनाना है और इस सपने को पूरा करने के लिए ज़रूरत होती है पैसे की। लेट्स मीट डॉक्टर सिद्धार्थ। Few months back, he became a proud father. Today he called me up.
Hi Ankit, how are you?
I'm good, doctor. You say, how's your son?
Good Ankit, can we meet today evening? Actually, I want to discuss something about Aryan's future.
Sure, sir. I will be there by 8.
Ankit, I need to invest for Aryan's education fund. You know, my father had to face difficulties for my education expenses, and I also took loan for my higher education. I don't want that to repeat, and education is getting costlier day by day. Can you suggest me something best for children education fund?
Sure. How old is your son now?
6 months old.
And when you want that money?
Let's say as he completes his school for graduation.
That means when he turns 18 and 19.
Yes.
See, Dr. Siddharth, we have multiple options for that. Some are guaranteed, some are variable. I will suggest you to have a combination or whatever suits you. So first I will share a guaranteed option with you. It is with LIC, especially designed for children education. So what do you think, how much amount would you require every year?
Let's say 5 lakh a year.
I guarantee you to pay 5 lakh a year for 5 years. When your son turns 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. And when he turns 25, LIC will pay an additional 60 lakh as lump sum to start his professional journey. How does it sound to you?
It's good Ankit, but how much I need to pay? I think it would be a huge sum.
Sir, you have to pay only for 40 rupees a day till your son turns 19 years of age.
That means
you have to pay around 13,000 a month, which will add up to approx 31 lakh and you get 87 lakhs in return.
Ankit, if I say seriously, I don't found it that attractive.
I agree, doctor. Even with this feature only, I won't found it worthy enough to share with you.
Then?
See, doctor, suppose you start this policy today by paying just first premium, and God forbid something happens to you tomorrow and you are no more. LIC guaranteed that it will pay all the remaining premiums on your behalf, and it will ensure that your son gets the complete amount that we are discussing today. So if you are alive, you will pay, and if you are not alive, LIC will pay, but your son will complete his education. No other investment option can give you this guarantee.
Okay, that's good. But if I am alive and not able to pay, then
it will be a paid up policy, and the amount you pay as premium will be calculated and returned to your son accordingly.
That's okay. But why I am getting the lump sum amount at end? I need it when he starts his education.
You can take an amount around 30 lakh when your son turns 18 and pay it later when you receive it at 25 years of age.
But can I increase this amount later if I need more money for education?
No, that you have to decide when you start. We have other variable options for that need.
Any tax rebate?
When you pay, it is completely tax-free under ATC, and the majority is tax-free under 1010D, the whole amount.
What if something happens to my son?
Then you get the lump sum at the event of death.
Okay, tell me where I need to sign.
Here. I'm Ankit Goyal, founder CreatePaisa.com, and I will help you to create more money.